guys, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. In this video I am going to show you two indicators, and these two indicator results are awesome. And let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel, must like my video. And in this video you will love it because you will get 100% accurate signal. And how you can get 100% accurate signal, just listen the whole video and do not miss any point. So first of all, we need to click 240 if you are using 5-minute time frame, so you can understand better. So this is your, hopefully you will get the buy trade at this point in BTC. And if you got the buy signal, then this is your confirmed buy signal. Okay, just like previously you got the buy signal. This is actually a RSI ribbon. Here it's a trend identification, it's a trend, and it's giving you the trend that the market is going upside or downside. Okay, so you can see clearly market is going upside. Okay, and you can see the market goes upside. Clearly you can see the market going upside, and market is still going upside. Okay, okay, it's going to refresh. Yes, you can see. So the rules, the second thing is the rules. Rules are very clear. Make sure these are 3 band lines. Okay, and so first of all we have to add indicators, then I will give you the rules, and if you will follow the rules, then definitely you will get 100% correct signals. Okay, you can see there are a lot of signals, but how you can catch the correct signal or 100% correct signal, I will give you all details. First of all we have to add indicators. The simple hoga 4.8 and master trend. So first we have to add indicators. These are my all scripts. Here you will find the my all script. How you can get my script, I will give you details at the end of the video how you can get this scripts. Okay, first we have to add this indicator. You have to copy the code, Control A, Control C, and then go to your Pioneer editor. Here you will find the option Pioneer editor, and at this point you will find some code, and you have to select all. Okay, Control A, select all, and Control V, paste your code, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be look like this one. It's compiling and will be okay. Now I think it's done. Now we have to change some setting here. You have to uncheck this one and slow it down, uncheck this one, and RSI should be 75. Okay, and slowly down and uncheck this one. Okay, and that's it. Your change is now done, and you have to add one more indicator, that is called trend master. Let me show you the trend master, this one. You have to copy the code again, Control A, Control C, and close it, and go to your Pioneer editor again, and you have to select all, Control A, Control V, paste your code, then do not click here. You will find the option add to chart here. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be look like this one, and done. Okay, the rules rules are very simple. Make sure it's green, then you have to go only for the buy trade, do not go for the sell trade. Okay, you have to follow only buy signals. Okay, and make sure first condition, the trend identification is a green or red. It's a green, that means you have buy trend. The second condition, this is RSI. Make sure the RSI is below from the lower band line. And the third condition, you are getting buy signal, then you have to go for the buy trade. Okay, and you have to book your profit here. Again, at this point you can see the RSI is below from the lower band line, and you are getting buy signal, so this is your correct buy signal, and you have to book your profit here. Okay, again at this point you are getting buy signal, and RSI is below from the lower band line, and the trend is green, so you have to go for the buy trade. You have to book your profit here. Again you can go for the buy trade, and you have to book your profit here. Okay, this is your buy trade, but you have to go exactly just I mentioned. You have to catch only confirmed signal, and the confirmed signal is here. Because the RSI is below from the lower band line, you getting buy signal, so it is correct signal. And here you can see again, you can see can go for the buy trade, you can go for the buy trade, and you have to book your profit here. Again here at this point you can go another buy trade, and you can go for the buy trade, and you will definitely will get profit. So here you can see you are getting buy signal here, and RSI is below from the lower band line, and the trend is green, so you can go for the buy trade, and it will definitely will give you the profit. And you can see clearly the buy trade is signal come on time, it will not come delay. Okay, let me show you results in gold. In the gold, let's see, in the gold this was the trend identification is below, you can see, so you can go for the sell trade from this point, or you can book your profit here, or you can and one more important thing, very important, here you can see you got the sell signal, you have need to exit your trade at this point. Okay, because the trend is now changing to the buy one. So let me show you some previous results so you can understand better. Here you can see trend is red, and this is your confirmed sell signal, and you can see you got the profit here. Let me show some again, you can see you got the sell signal again, because the trend identification is red, you have to go for the sell trade, and you will definitely will get profit here. Okay, now again you can see you got the sell signal, and this is profitable signal. And let me show you some other results here. This is confirmed signals, 100% non-repeated, and every time you will get definitely will good profit. Let me show you, this one is green, you can go for the buy trade, and it definitely give you awesome profit. Okay, again let me show you some other results. Okay, now that is not your point, because the RSI is above from the lower band line, so that is you not your trade buy trade. You have need to wait for the exactly buy trade like this one. Okay, the RSI is below, you can see RSI is below from the lower band line, so definitely you have need to go for the buy trade, and you can see you got awesome profit. Let me show you some other results here. Here you can see you can go for the buy trade, and it's give you some awesome profit. Here you can go for another buy trade, and it definitely will give you some awesome profit here. Okay, the now is trend is now red, you have to follow sell signal. You can see you got the sell signal, you got the profit. Here you can go for the sell trade, and you got another sell signal and profitable, another sell signal and profitable. Just listen, hopefully you will understand the whole strategy. Make sure the RSI is above from the upper band line, and the trend is red, then you have to follow the sell signal. And if the trend line is below from the lower band line and you getting buy signal, then you have to follow only buy signal if the trend is green. Okay, and make sure this RSI if the trend is green, make sure RSI is below from the lower band line, and you are getting buy signal. Okay, all the time you will get consistent profit if you follow these rules. Very simple rules, not a difficult one. Everyone, even a very beginner who would never trade can easily make profit by using this simple strategy. Hopefully you will understand the whole strategy, and I show you how you can get in this creator. And now the question is how you can get this all scripts. You will get my all script in just few dollars. You will get my all script and just few dollars. Okay, and how, let me show you my contact details. These are my contact details: WhatsApp and Telegram. At the rate simple होगा, one right one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channel. You do not join fake Telegram channel, otherwise you will lose your money, and they are all scammers. So you have need to personal contact me on at the rate simple होगा one right one at the end must. Okay, this is Gmail, simple होगा at the rate gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Hopefully you will like my video and will must subscribe my channel, and nobody can provide the such a profitable strategy in just few dollars. Nobody can provide you. Okay, hopefully you will like my video and subscribe my channel. Any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.